Money Mom Vlogs here. So, it's been a while since I did a video. I've been doing live streams and stuff. Been playing a lot of Fortnite. Been releasing a lot of music, working on music. 2 new songs working on right now. Got the DJ stuff down here. But, oh, a little bit zoomed in. There. Yeah, we have 2 new pets now. And we got 2 birds. You'll be seeing them a lot more. Right now I can't hold them because they're a little shy still. We got them about a week or 2 now. Yeah. We got all the stuff that they want. But yeah. Hopefully they become like Maverick, like Logan Paul's bird. But the green yellow one that you see right there, his name is Cheech, and the blue one is called Lulu. So yeah, we got 2 new birds. And we got Sushi and Duke. They like being on camera, don't they? Don't you guys? And then at the end of the month, I'm going to a Steve Aoki concert, so that's gonna be lit. Can't wait for that. But yeah, it's actually nice out for once. Like, it ain't humid, it ain't very hot, it's just right. But yeah, and then we got a new cabinet, which ain't too important. And we pretty much have all their stuff up here. This right here is made for their beak, their claws, stuff like that. And this is for pretty much what you see right there. Yeah. Yeah. Too blurry, and then we got that. Not too much has changed since I last vlogged. But I finally got my 4th of July vlog up. Yeah, but bad news is that we're in a drought right now, even though we had all that rain, like at least 18 to 20 inches of rain fell across here back in springtime, and now we're not getting a drop of rain. I mean, we got some over the weekend, but not very much. So hopefully get some sometime this week. So hopefully it's enough to cure the drought and we don't have to deal with it. But who knows? School's back in session now. So across where my town is at, I don't know about yours. I don't go to school tomorrow anymore because I graduated. I was class of 18. And then they blacktopped the road. Now I'm not gonna go out there, but yeah, they blacktopped it. Looks very nice. Anyways, for me, I'm glad they did it because we paid for them to do the road. So yeah, I think that's all because I gotta go to work. I have work 2 to 7. So yeah, but be sure to subscribe, comment on what you guys want me to film. The vlog, I'm not doing no daily vlogging. I'm just gonna do little vlogs here and there for like little updates, stuff like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that I got a new laptop. I posted the tutorial video or the unboxing video of the laptop. I didn't go very much into detail for that because you guys probably already know on all laptops. So I wasn't going into detail with that. But yeah, I will. I know how everybody likes Fortnite. I'm a big Fortnite fan now. I don't know. Ever since season 7, I got involved with Fortnite, but my other two brothers been playing since the beginning of Fortnite. So, but I've been playing since season 7. So yeah, I've been buying, and ever since I've been buying all the battle passes. Hey, Duke! Duke. Duke! I swear. Come on. Alright, but, I will be live streaming on PS4. But I would live stream on Mixer, but they don't have where you can do that. So for me, I just do it. I just do YouTube videos, or basically live stream up on YouTube. But I just use them as a video too. So makes all good. So alright, that's it.